Okay, another day, another dollar. Got my coffee. Going out, I changed a motor on this thing maybe 2 years ago. But anyway, the door goes down now and goes back up. Sounds like a sensor problem. So anyway, when I get there, I'll let you know. How are you? Yeah. No problem. Is this as far as it goes up or it goes down?
It won't float.
Okay. I may have to go around.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now I know what the problem is. I'm gonna text the husband. Servicing the door. Okay. Okay, I'm just drilling new holes because this wood's all stripped. Okay, then I put a new lag in there. See, like this. See, a lot of these lags on this wood door are stripped out. See, like that? Just take it out. You can go right underneath it. Like I can go right here, and it'll hit the wood. So those ones are all hitting. See this one? That one doesn't hit, so I take it out. I get a self tapper, and I drill through the hinge a little so it breaks through the metal. Then I get another one. And I just go through it. Now it tightens. Okay, looks like it's pretty good now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it down. I've been here for about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna tighten all these nuts down. I think I already did it actually. Door's already fixed. It was that camera down there was out of alignment. But you gotta do other things to the door while I'm here. I'm not just in and out real fast. So I'm gonna raise it back up. See, this isn't very hard work. You just raise it up to where you want to work on it. It's about where I want it. I use 3/8 on this underneath here. We're just about done. I got all this straightened up. Let's see over here. That one tight. Good. See, that one's stripped out a little. So what I do is I take it out and I put it right over on the side of it. Get me a 7/16 right here. See, this hinge here, you can't get underneath. So you gotta use an open end wrench to get it. And the impact socket won't fit under here because this part interferes with it. You really come here and dilly-dally around with everything. You dilly-dally. Make sure these one doesn't hop or tight. Now I'm just gonna lube it all down. And that now goes down. Go over the door a little bit. Tight on the top. Now I'm gonna take my WD-40 right here, all the way down where it rubs. Spray this one down. The inside edge here where it's dark, that's where the roller rubs. And then we just lower it down. And I can do it eye level. Lower it down one panel at a time. I'll just kind of do it as it's going on the side. I like to do the sides first. This is where all the weight is. That's all you're doing. Spraying a little bit. Make good money to do it. I always get the bearing on the back. My jacket keeps covering it, but you get the little pivot points on the hinge. It gets rid of all the squeaks. You don't need much, just a little bit. Getting it all down. There's a bearing up in there, you get it in there. Okay, we got it all lubed. Now let's listen to it. I'm gonna tell them they need a few rollers, sound bad. and then I'll change them out if they want them. I'll just do it. I'll just change out the rollers. I know I got one in my door here, but I got more in the back. These rollers here. Maybe a couple more on this side. And then I'll be rocking and rolling. There's another one. I'll just change 2 of them. Okay. Now I lower it. Okay. I'll change that one. Okay. Okay. All right, that's fine. I changed a couple rollers too on it. I didn't notice it. The door's making a lot of noise. They kind of all need to be changed, but there's 2 over there that were really...
What was the problem?
Well, these were all out. Mounted all these back together. Okay. All the way down. I lubed everything. I changed the 2 rollers up there. Ones you have now were good at the time, but they're loud.
Yeah.
So I just changed the 2 that I could hear that they were kind of wobbly.
Okay.
So once they get too wobbly, the ball bearings will fall out of them, and then they'll just be like a stem up there. A lot of little things. I had to repilot, drill holes and stuff. They all kind of make noise, though, the metal rollers. They're just kind of the old style.
Okay, that's good.
And then, okay, I'm pulling away from the job here. I just got a check for $382. There's the check, as you can see. And pretty easy, basic. That was an old, kind of crusty door, but I didn't work hard on it. Hands are clean. People just love spending around $300 or $400 on everything. They expect it to be that, but you could always get more. Some guys just, yeah to everything. Yeah, just do it. Yeah, let's get it done. Yeah. So that's what I do when I do it. And then everything works out. And you guys can do it too. So live life, enjoy, and I'm gonna go get a good sandwich. Over and out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.